5 years after killing its WearOS app, Telegram is reviving support for Android smartwatches with its latest update. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your go-to tech hub. Telegram quietly dropped a new Apple Watch app earlier this month, and now WearOS is getting the same treatment. In its latest update, Telegram says that smartwatch apps have arrived for both Apple Watch and WearOS. This brings the messaging app to Pixel and Galaxy Watch for the first time, as when Telegram last had a WearOS app, the Pixel Watch didn't exist, and Galaxy Watch was still running Tizen. The new app gives you full access to your chats, the ability to send and listen to voice messages, and also supports muting and pinning chats. The only thing it doesn't have right now is the ability to view locations or send stickers, but those are on the Apple Watch version, and Telegram teases they'll come to WearOS next. As Telegram cheekily explained the features, saying you can now browse chats and media and read messages of any length without risking to drop your phone. Feel free to listen to voice messages and watch videos. You can also send text messages or voice messages. If your hands are busy zipping up, Telegram says they don't know why their Android developer added muting and pinning chats, as well as deleting messages. Meanwhile, the iOS developer added viewing locations and sending stickers, but teased, "We've convinced them to steal these features from each other in the next update." The latest Telegram updates also bring major upgrades like text formatting, links and pull options, markdown file support, the option to open links in external browsers with a long press, and the ability to force Telegram to open specific sites in the external browser rather than the built-in one. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.